Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. Today we're gonna do an unboxing of this really cute purse that I got, and this is the Hello Catwalk City X Melody Cecile collaboration. So excited to have this. I bought this using the discount code Hello Catwalk. She's the one who designed this bag, and this is in brown color. And let's find out what is this. So this is called Madison, as it was a inspiration for the the girls in the Madison Avenue, as Hello Catwalk would say. So this is it, guys. I'm so excited. This is my first time to see this in person, and this is the strap, and this is the purse. And let's open it. So this is called, again, Madison in brown. And this is what it looks like. Oh my god, it is so pretty. I really like it. It is made very well. As you can see, the glazings are beautifully etched in here. And the smell, it has a nice leather smell to it, and inside has this space so you can put cards in here, and this is just one huge space in leather lining. So let's remove this plastic. It is so cute, guys. This reminds me of the size of Hermes Kelly, but I think this is wider. And also the bag that is called, I think the brand is called Savette. It looks similar as this as well. I like this better with that of Savette, as the handle, short handle, is more longer than that of Savette, and Savette is priced $1,200, I think, USD. And this one I paid, I think, $199 US. That's already with the discount code, and this is always out of stock. So as I was browsing dressupyourpurse.com, I was able to see that this is available, so I bought it right away. Again, this is what it looks like. To close it, you have to press it like this, and then to open it, you have to press this lock, and you open it like so. So again, when you close it, I think when the bag is full, it's easier to close it than when it doesn't have anything inside. And let's open this one. So this is the beautiful strap that goes with it. Let's join this together so we can attach it to the bag. I currently have flu, guys. That's why my voice sounded like this, and I'm still in my jammies. You know, I'm not really feeling well, and I'm glad when I saw in my email that this was delivered. So it's like I have like an extra energy right away. So anyways, let's put this strap on. So this is what it looks like for the hardware, and it's in gold hardware, shiny gold hardware. And this is what it looks like, guys. It is nice that it's just a plain brown, a great neutral, a nice shade of brown, and it is just so pretty, so elegant, so classy. Even if you have like casual wear and you just put this bag on, it's just a classy bag. And I'm such a casual dresser that it's nice if I'll put this on. It's like you're put together, and it's like a different vibe for me to have this kind of purse. Oh, by the way, the bag came with this cleansing wipes, and I don't know what's this. So let's open it. Let's see what is this. Ooh, so it is the heart bag charm, or like key charm here that you can use. This one is in navy. And speaking of navy, guys, I have this bag from Dress Up Your Purse as well in navy. It's the same color. This one is just a little bit darker, or the same, or darker. This is a little bit darker. But anyways, if you get this purse, this is called Petite Paris 15, and you can get 15% discount by using my discount code Stardust LV. And again, with all of the bags, you can get 15% off using Stardust LV. And I put here my bag charm, which is so cute. So this is the Paris 15 Petite, and this one is called Madison. And this one, you can use the discount code of Hello Catwalk, since this is a collaboration with Hello Catwalk. So you have to use her discount code when you buy this. Otherwise, for everything in Dress Up Your Purse, you can use my discount code Stardust LV for 15% off. And now I'm curious, guys, what do you want to put inside the bag? Since this is small, but it has a wider width to it. But before we're gonna put things in here, let us measure this purse. So this is 8.5 inches in the length, and then for the height, it's like 5 1/4 for the height, and then for the width at the widest, it is 2 3/4 inches. So this has a decent size to it, and currently I'm using this, and I bought this from Pop Mart. This is the Monsters, and this is only $17, guys. Cute it is. So it lights up. And this one, I have this from Mason, this Sabre. This is actually an AirPod case, so I have my AirPod inside. And this one is my old bag charm from Louis Vuitton. Speedy is one of my favorite Louis Vuitton bags. And let's put what fits in here. A Chanel card holder, and then I have a hand sanitizer and my sunglasses, which is, I think this is from Diff sunglasses that I recently got. So let's put it inside. Glossier lipstick. So everything fits. I think it has a room for the cell phone. The iPhone 12 Pro Max fits in this bag as well. And let's close it. There you go, guys. This is such a cute purse. I love it. I think the leather is scratch proof. Like, see, since it has texture to it like that of a Prada Saffiano, it has the same feel, and it cannot be scratched easily. And I love this simple closure that it has. And when you open it, you can find everything inside. So this is such a cute purse, but it fits your essentials. Your Pro Max phone can fit in this bag, and I love the white contrast stitching as well. And as you can see, the stitches are all done beautifully. Very nice, guys. I am so glad that I did not pay thousands of dollars for this beautiful purse, as this is such a very classy and elegant purse in my opinion. So if you're gonna wear it like that, as you can see, I'm just wearing my jammies, but if I wear this bag, it's like, where am I going, right? It's so cute. So with the strap shortened, it will fall in here. So this is, I think, the 1, 2, 3, third hole. And you can still have that option to lengthen this purse. It is also nice to use it like this. If I'll put it at the crook of my arm, it will look like this. But I guess, you know, when you hold it handheld like so, it will also be nice. And I'm gonna show you on my other Speedy. I'm really amused of this bag charm that I got from Pop Mart. So this is from the Monster also, and here it also has a light, and I got this from La Durée. And this is another DE bag charm that I got years ago. And inside I have this insert from Zoomoni.com. So if you will buy a bag organizer for your bag, you can also use my discount code StardustLV and get 20% off in this really pretty organizer. This one is a thick organizer, and you can also have an option to use a thin organizer. And again, Stardust LV for 20% off. So this is so cute. I don't know if I can use a bag charm in this bag, as you know, the placement of the strap is in here, but let me try. You also love to use bag charms, guys, as right now bag charms are in the craze. So let's try to put this on, and it will look like this. So with the bag charm, it has a different, like, casual, carefree, fun vibe. But I guess when you open and close this with a bag charm, you know, it's just like in the way. So maybe you just have to put it at the back and open it, and then you close it like this, and you put the bag charm back in front. I don't think I'm gonna use a bag charm on this purse, honestly, as I like the simplicity that it looks without it. But if you want to put any bag charms in this bag, you can do so as well. So this is the Madison purse in brown, and let me know what you think of this, guys, as I really love it, and I'm so happy that I purchased this purse side by side with a Paris 15 Petite. It looks like this. Well, thank you guys for watching, and may all of you have a wonderful day. Please hit like and subscribe if you find this useful, and I'll see you again soon. Bye!